If anything, my mind has shifted from what it was to now what it is. Now, I truly believe I've gathered all the tools that I need to be a proper entrepreneur.
This community that we formed has been a great support system. It's always good when you're walking on a journey to have someone beside you to give you that little boost, because entrepreneurship is not easy for anyone.
I was just like a dustbin that's full of everything. I wanted to be a farmer, I wanted to be a consultant, I wanted to be an aggregator, not knowing what exactly what I needed, but by the help of the program, have helped me shape my future. So it's by the help of this program that has helped me maybe found out this and also come with a single product that will address challenges that I wanted to address earlier on.
Somebody in Nigeria, Dami, when she started at Africa2100, she had one sewing machine. She was the only staff. By the end of the program, she had 3 sewing machines, a few other machines, they now had 3 staff. And when she showed that progress, even the money she was making before and eventually after, now that's worth celebrating. That is growth, and I'm so proud of it.